Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante, welcome back. This week we're going to go over how to install your GE water filter. So there's a couple different styles that they have. I want to go over 2. So if you have a door dispenser like this, your ice maker's here, then typically your water filter is going to be right in this area. So these turn out like this. You're going to turn it out. If it's already there, you're replacing it. So you see we have our 2 slots for the water filter. Lines up right here. All you do, sit it in like this and turn it. Boom, now we're ready to rock. So then I'm going to go over here. Doesn't matter what style or where the location of the water filter is, it's pretty much just about all the same. This is just a filter bypass. What this does is if you're not going to use your water hookup or your water's down, you want to take your manufacturer bypass, put it in there so it doesn't freak out, say, hey, we don't have a water filter. So these ones, I'm just going to go straight in, and then when you set it like this and close it, it sets that water filter in there so it could function and run the water through and do what it's supposed to do. This one. These ones right here, this. As we can see, this is where our water filtration is going to be. So these ones you just turn, pull down, put it back in, and turn it the opposite way, and boom, you're set. So like this one I said before, it has the ice maker right here on the door. And like I said, there's various styles. So obviously you can see there's nothing here, but it's going to be up in the corner. Typically they're going to be up top in the corner. There's also indication to say water filter on there. That's how you guys change your GE water filter. So thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.